My name is Mpomari and I'm 26 years old. I've been wrestling for 10 years. Wrestling is important because it teaches me self-respect, discipline, and it calms me down. I train twice a day, 5 times a week, and this year I am preparing for the Senior African Championships and the World Championships to qualify for the 2016 Rio Olympic Games.